Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today we are making some quick and delicious plantain porridge using these unripe plantains. Let's get started. Peeling the plantains. I've already washed the plantains, though I'll still wash them after peeling. Peeling the plantains, I'll go ahead now to wash them. This will help, washing them will help to remove the gummy skin. I don't know if you understand what I mean. So the next stage now is to slice or cut them into tiny chunks or smaller size. You can either cut them this way with your hands or you use the chop board. Done with the cutting of the plantains, we'll then transfer into the pot and start cooking. I'll then add in some diced onions, ground crayfish, some fresh pepper, green and red scotch bonnet pepper. Add according to your tolerance. Some seasoning cube. I'm using 2 seasoning cube. garlic and ginger paste, a tablespoon of that, and a smoked egg fish, bala fish, some salt, and a little palm oil. I'll then add the water to cover the plantain. I'll stir and then we'll start cooking. Sometimes too, I fry the onions with palm oil, but today I'm not making it that way. You can check my other plantain videos in the channel and see how I made those ones. The water was not enough, so I had to add more. I'll also be adding some vegetables. I have here ugu, fruited pumpkin leaves, and also some scent leaf. I've washed them, so while the plantain is cooking, I'll go ahead now and slice the vegetables. And here I have the vegetables well sliced. This is the ugu and this is the nchuanwu, the scent leaf. All right, let's check the plantain and see how it's doing. The plantain is already soft and well cooked. I'll add the scent leaf now. Stir it very well while giving a little time to allow the flavor enter the also test it for salt and pepper to make sure that everything is okay. The salt and other spices are okay, so it is now time to add the remaining vegetable, that is the ugu, fluted pumpkin leaves. I'll mix everything together, cover and allow to cook for just a minute, and our plantain porridge is ready. And here we have our plantain and vegetable porridge or pottage. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. I love you all. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. Bye bye.